Google Pixel 9 versus Pixel 8. See if the upgrade is worth it. The Google Pixel 9, Google's formidable contender in the foldable smartphone arena, is no longer a mystery for Pixel geeks. From capturing the gaze of onlookers at the Google Keynote 2024 to giving top-notch smartphone manufacturers a reason to upgrade, the full Pixel 9 series has jacked up the benchmark to assess the foldable's potential. As far as the display of the Pixel 9 and Pixel 8 is concerned, the former sports a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display, offering a slightly larger and more refined screen compared to the Pixel 8's 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED panel. In spite of a slight screen difference, both feature 120Hz refresh rate, but the Pixel 9's higher resolution has crisper visuals. Performance-wise, there shouldn't be any doubt cast on Pixel 9's prowess, as it's powered by Google's Tensor G4 chip, promising greater performance and efficiency than the Pixel 8's Tensor G3. This chipset bump doesn't let smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and improved AI capabilities be vague. Triple camera setup is what Google infused on the Google Pixel 8, carrying a 50MP wide, 48MP ultra-wide, 48MP telephoto, with a 10.8MP selfie shooter. But on the other hand, the Pixel 9 brought a more advanced camera system, featuring a quad camera array based on 64MP wide-angle lens, 50MP ultra-wide, 48MP telephoto, 12MP periscope zoom, and not to mention a 12MP front camera. The newer Pixel 9 is backed by a 5500 mAh battery with a 35-watt fast charging, just a few steps ahead of the Pixel 8 with a 5050 mAh battery and 30-watt charging. The extra 450 mAh on the Pixel 9 ensures better charging speed, longer usage, and quicker refills.